to my part 2 of my Chanel haul. If you have seen the first one, you probably see I got the medium and a card holder from the 21A, and the second one is also a part of my anniversary gift. So here is the box, and this is also a bag I have been wanting for a long time, and I finally pulled the trigger. So let's open it together. So excited for this one too. So the ribbon and the camellia put here, and here is the box. Stickers says Chanel. This one I think I have been thinking of for many years. And everything is in here, and I bought it pre-loved, and she has used it once, and it's a bag from this year. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen I have announced it. Take it out, and here is the booklet and Chanel bed. Let's put that one away. So in here it's the card, and it is from a 30 series, and the cloth and the booklet. I would love you to take the time to follow me, and if you want to see more of this video, just hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So here's the dust bag. It says Chanel. It's a drawstring. Take it out, and you can see it's black. This paper with the stickers. So I got the medium coco handle in the caviar, so black. And you know I love my crochet from Louis Vuitton, who has a top handle, and this size is pretty much the same size of that bag. I think the crochet is a little bit bigger. If you want me to do a comparison between these two, just leave a comment down below. So just quickly go through it. It has the so black hardware, so everything is black, and it comes with a strap so you can hook it here. And it also says here on the top, it says Chanel Rue Cambon, or how you announce it, not sure. And it has a little logo there, and it's like a turn lock closure. Has the top handle. Back you have the Mona Lisa, and it has 4 feet. And as I said, she had used it once, so this is in perfect condition. How pretty. So let's open it to show you the strap. It is inside and also has a cloth there. Take that one out. The strap on the medium is pretty thin, and I had the measure of this one, and it's too short for me to make it crossbody, but I have ordered you know what you call it, chain extender, so I will show that one when it comes. There's leather here, and you see the chain. It's a pretty thin chain, so black also, and the clasp. So you hook it like this. Inside, this is also in so black. says Chanel Paris there too. Take this one out. So the inside is all black. One room there and another room here in the back, and you have the zipper back here. And not sure if you can see the logo. It says Chanel, and it's pretty late in the night, so I don't have so much lighting here. Not sure if you can see it. I will do a better angle in the end of this video so you can see the bag better. Has the back pocket here, and it goes in here on the side. And this bag was not from this year, it was from 2020, so it don't have the microchip as my other Chanel bag. It comes with a card, and it's a little shiny. As you can see, it's a little bit shiny into it. Pretty. So let's put on the chain. And I'll also do a model shot so you can see how she fit on me. And for reference, I'm 172 centimeter or 5/8 inch. So here is the strap. So excited for this one. So I got two beautiful new bags, and so happy with my purchases. So I finally have not the mini, the small coco handle, and I have finally my Chanel medium. How pretty is that? So I will do a model shop in the end of this video. So this was just a quick unboxing to show you guys. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you want me to do any review or comparison between this and my crochet, you know I love my crochet, let me know in the comment section down below. So have a fabulous day, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.